It's time for a puppet show. I am Raquel Gibson. Playboy Bunny 2007, Miss September. Yeah.
I am the finger. You will bow down to me. Now.
I'm Izzy. What's up? Hey,
Hey.
lady.
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. How about
Get
you?
out of here. You're cock blocking me.
Oh, hello,
You
boy.
guys make my nipples hard.
Oh, my asshole.
You wanna have a threesome?
Back off!
What?
I'm a transvestite.
What the hell?
I got a fart. I got a fart. Oh my!
What?
Ugh.
I'm out of here.
Hey, you come back. No. Oh.
You listen to me, ho.
Hey, I'm not a hoe. I'm a transvestite from the land of Oz.
What?
You're a herd.
What?
Hey,
What the hell's wrong with you?
read my Playboy Bunny signal. It tells you to fork up. So, listen to me.
What? You people crazy. What the hell?
Don't lose your bobber.